In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set custom status in Discord on PC. If you want to let your friends, teammates, or community members know what you're up to, setting a custom status in Discord is a quick and useful way to do it. You can use it to share a short message, like that you're busy, gaming, studying, or just away for a while. The process only takes a few clicks, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. First, go to your Discord dashboard on your PC. This is the main Discord window where you can see your servers, direct messages, and account area. Make sure you're signed in and on the home screen before moving on, so the rest of the steps are easy to follow. Once you're on the dashboard, look down to the bottom left corner of the Discord window. You'll see your profile section there. This area usually shows your profile picture, your display name, and your current availability. Click on your profile in that bottom left corner to open the profile options menu. After that menu opens, look for the speech bubble icon next to your profile picture. This is the option that lets you update your custom status. Click on that speech bubble to open the custom status settings. If you don't immediately notice it, take a second to look carefully in the small profile pop-up, since Discord keeps these controls grouped together. Now click into the custom status field and type the status you want to display. Keep it short and clear so it's easy for others to read. This could be something simple like working, be right back, or playing later. A custom status is meant to give people a quick update, so a brief message usually works best. Once you've entered your custom status, click Save. As soon as you do that, your status will be updated and visible on your profile. This means other people on Discord may be able to see it when they check your profile or message you, depending on how they interact with you on the platform. And that's it. You've successfully set a custom status in Discord on PC. If you ever want to change it, remove it, or update it to reflect what you're doing, you can come back to the same profile area and repeat the process. It's a simple feature, but it's a great way to communicate your availability or mood without sending a message.